have here 50 stems of white roses, and I have to prepare the bride's bouquet. She want to have a big bouquet, and also there will be just a few baby breath among the roses. I'm gonna start cleaning the stems, and I have to use this tool. This is very helpful tool. Do not think that you're gonna remove the thorns and the leaf with your hands. I'm gonna show you how to use this. Okay, I'm gonna start cleaning this. Look, that's it. Super easy. Put it on the side and keep cleaning. Okay. I'm gonna start working with the bride's bouquet. I already have all the roses clean. I put on aside some of those that I consider as I know when I use it, and I have more than 40 stems here, but I still believe that are too many. So I'm gonna start working with the flowers. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna put in water, clean a little bit over here. I'm gonna start working with the ribbon. I already cleaned everything. I washed my hands because I'm gonna be working with white ribbon. I don't want to get any risk and leave some mark in the white ribbon. And I wanna show you the accent that the bride's bouquet will have. This is a rhinestone brooch that I gave her as a courtesy, as a gift, because I always say, well, everybody's gonna give you a gift. I'm gonna do the same with you, in order to tell her thanks so much for working with us. This brooch is beautiful. I love it. And I think it's gonna work excellent for her. Well, the first thing that I have to do is remove the pin because I'm gonna use glue gun to put in the plate. This is easy, but it has to be done with care. That's it. That's all that you have to do. Now it's ready. I'm gonna start working with the ribbon. Okay. I'm gonna cut again a little bit the stems. Look for another bucket to put in water. Okay. Yes, I like it. Do you like it? I think she's gonna love it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start putting the pins in this box. I already prepared this box with some tissue paper. It has some shiny spots on it. The first one is gonna be the groom. These are the pink corsages for the girls. It has just a little loop and organza and the baby breath.